Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to enable the Hibernate option in Windows 10. And before I start, make sure you enable the subtitles on my videos to understand the better what I say. So yeah, let's start. First of all, I came back home from Albania and unfortunately I did not make any videos while I was in Albania because we had a lot of visits and I couldn't make a single video. So sorry about that, but today I'm coming back with a brand new video. And as you probably already know, school has started here in Greece and I won't be making 3 to 4 videos per week as I did back in June and July. So you will expect from me 1 or 2 videos per week. That's the best I can do because I have a lot of studies. And yeah, let's get to the point of this video. So you may be wondering what's the difference between sleep and hibernate in Windows 10. Because I'm not good at explaining things, go to this website right here. I'm gonna leave it in the description, of course. It's a How to Geek website. What's the difference between sleep and hibernate in Windows? Scroll down a bit to find sleep mode and hibernate, and the answers will be in the second rows of both sleep mode and hibernate. And yeah, after you have understood what's the difference between these two, what you need to do, you need to go to search and type control panel, and after that go to system and security, then go power options, and then in the top left corner click and choose what the power buttons do, and then click here change settings that are currently unavailable to make the settings available. And you will see by default that the hibernate option is disabled, because if we right click to start, you will see that the hibernate option is not here. To enable it, just check it and then click save changes. And if you right click to start, you will see that the hibernate option is right here. And if you click to start and then power, you will see that the hibernate option is also there. And if you want to disable it, just do the same thing. Go to choose what the power buttons do, click the setting, uncheck the hibernate option, save changes, and the option will not be shown here. And yeah, that's a video guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry if this was a really short video because I didn't have any other video ideas to make for today, and that's the best I can do. So thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.